Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. In today's weekend lunch, I have brought to you the long forgotten and the traditional recipes which even my grandmother used to make. So we are going to make this raw banana or Vazhaikai fry and also add a special powder to it. First we'll chop the Vazhaikai. After peeling, just cut it into pieces like this and always keep some water nearby. Once you cut the pieces, put them in water, then it will not blacken. First we'll just roast the ingredients for making a powder for this banana fry. Add a tablespoon of coriander or dhania seeds, 1 teaspoon of Channa Dal and 5 dry red chillis. I am adding a few Hing crystals to this. Now roast all these till the dals are well browned. When the dals are well roasted, add a heaped tablespoon of fresh grated coconut and toss it also around for about 30 seconds. We will grind this into a slightly coarse powder and bring it. Now for the raw banana fry, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some mustard seeds, Urad dal, a few curry leaves, when the dal turns golden color, drain out the chopped raw banana pieces and add some haldi powder and salt to it. Mix well and allow it to cook on a low to medium flame till all the raw banana is well roasted. Our raw banana is also well done. Now we will add this powder which we made right at the beginning. Mix everything well together and let it cook for another 2 minutes and we can switch it off. Our Vazhaikai podi pota curry or podi pota poriyal, whichever way you want to call it, it is ready. So our raw banana fry or Vazhaikai podi pota curry is ready. Now for the Araipuli Kuzhambu, I am heating a tablespoon of oil. Add about 3 teaspoons of Urad dal and 6 dry red chillis and just a pinch of Methi seeds. Don't add too much, it will become bitter. Now fry all these well in the oil. See, the dal has become a golden brown color. Now add in 1 tablespoon of fresh grated coconut to this and toss it all well together. When cool, we will grind it into a paste in our blender jar. This is for the Kuzhambu. So our masala for the Araipuli Kuzhambu is ground and ready. Earlier I had soaked a large lemon sized piece of tamarind and water and kept for about 15 minutes now. Now we will squeeze it out and extract the juice. For the Kuzhambu, it's always a good idea to use til oil or sesame oil. So I am taking 2 tablespoons. Add some mustard seeds, a few methi seeds, about 4 dry red chillis, some Hing crystals. Hing, nowadays I told you I use this GPC Hing whether in crystal or powder form. It adds an awesome flavor. Then here I have about 7 or 8 lady's finger which I have just chopped into pieces like this. Stir fry them Add some curry leaves. Just add 1 teaspoon of this homemade sambar powder. If you don't have sambar powder with you, you can add dhania powder and chilli powder instead. Just roast it in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in this tamarind extract with 2 cups of water. Add required salt and let everything boil well together till the vegetables are also well cooked. Now just check a piece of this lady's finger or okra. It has cooked well. Now we'll add this ground masala paste which is ready. Mix it all well together. See, now this masala will help to thicken this Araipuli Kuzhambu. Allow it to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes and then it's done. See, our Araipuli Kuzhambu is boiling well now. It has thickened also. I am going to switch it off, and finally, for the special touch, just add a little bit of til oil on top. That will really enhance the flavor too. This is done and ready. So our Araipuli Kuzhambu is also now ready. We have removed it from the stove. For the rasam, I am just taking about a spoon of oil in this culture tea. Add a teaspoon of Turare Dal, 4 dry red chillis. I have just broken them in halves, and a few curry leaves. Initially, roast the dal and the red chillis in the oil like this till the dal is browned. Add a few Hing crystals, let it also get fried in the oil. Here I have taken a gooseberry, that is amla size of tamarind, and soaked it in water. So now we will extract the juice. Add about 3 cups of water to it. Pour it into this. Add some salt and allow the rasam to come to a boil. The rasam is boiling well. Now I will switch this off. We will only have to do the tempering for it. So as always for rasam, I have taken a little bit of ghee, about half a teaspoon of ghee to heat, and I will add some mustard seeds, a few jeera or cumin seeds. Now pour this tempering into the rasam. This is the dried neem flower. If you have in your house, if you have in your garden, you can pick it up and dry it and keep, or it is also readily available online and in grocery stores. It is very good for health and for both children and adults alike, because it helps to remove if there are any worms in your stomach. For digestion it is excellent. So I am adding a teaspoon of ghee. See if there is any other extraneous material, just remove it before adding. Now add these dried neem flowers to this ghee. See, it should get fried in the ghee. See, it should be well fried, but do it on a low flame. Don't allow it to get burnt. Finally, just pour these fried neem flowers on top of the rasam. See, our Vepampoo Rasam or neem flower rasam is also ready now. To serve, here I have steaming hot rice, raw banana or Vazhaikai, podi potakari, and this is the rasam, which will come as the next course, and of course curd for the final completion of the lunch. On the rice you can either add ghee or till oil as per your preference. Today I am adding some ghee. Now just pour some of this Araipuli Kuzhambu on top. Roasted aplam is an excellent combo with this dry roasted aplam. So this is a typical traditional South Indian meal which is really good for health too. Especially in today's times when many people just order food from outside which is mostly junk or which is not, we are not sure about the hygiene, how it was prepared. Definitely try to make this kind of a meal combo at least say once in 15 days, so that your digestive system, your gut, everything is good for yourself, for your children and other family members too. Especially these dried neem flowers have got the wonderful property of taking care of your stomach ailments too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.